Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And if you haven't been following along with this Roy Brewer concept tag cut from Engraving Concepts, if you haven't been following along, it's the same name starting with the letter A, and this is like part of the series called F. In E, we're trying to figure out we did figure out how to put this in the center and then copy it over with the duplicate key. And I started thinking it'd be a lot easier to do it with the transformation docker. So if you haven't watched the other ones, you kind of need to watch them all to kind of understand what we're doing here. But we want to take this and put it in so this is in the center of that block. So we need to go to the transformation docker, which is under arrange, go to transformation and position, comes up with that. We'll click on our item, and we're going to move the x-axis 3 inches and 9 copies because we've already got one, and we're going to hit apply. Then I've got my tag cut locked, and the reason for that, I can use the alternate key and I can go through here. We don't have to do that since it's locked. We just need to grab all these. We need to take this to 0 now and take this to negative 1.5 and 9 copies because we've already got the one. And now you have your tag cuts with your writing in it in the center of each one. It's that easy. So you have not followed along, you really need to watch all of them because it's kind of a step-by-step process. And this would just be in the case where all your tags or your name tags would be the same. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.